Do you think you're smart? The kind who loves learning new things, reading books, watching videos? Then you might already be in a dangerous trap because your intelligence might be slowly ruining your future without you even realizing it. Okay, let's deep dive into the psychology of it. Meet Alex, the guy who always has the answer. Friends ask him for advice. Teachers trust his thinking. People say, "You're smart, bro." While others waste time scrolling, Alex feeds his brain. Books on success, videos on mindset, notes full of ideas. Every day he's learning. Every day he feels closer to success. If knowledge alone changes lives, Alex would have be unstoppable. But 3 years passed. Friends moved ahead. Some got promotions. Some built businesses. Alex stayed exactly where he was. Same room, same routine, same dreams, just older. Why do you think that happened? Was Alex lazy? Was he not capable? Or was his own mind quietly stopping him? Here's the trap no one warns smart people about. Your brain releases dopamine when you learn something new, and that chemical is your brain's reward signal. It fires when you scroll endlessly, when you eat junk food, when you win something. Your brain quietly says, "This feels good. Do it again." So every video feels like progress. Every book feels like growth. Every new advice feels like you're getting closer. You feel smarter, motivated, productive. But nothing in real life changes. Here's the shocking part. Your brain can't tell the difference between real progress and imagined progress. Even thinking about improvement activates the same reward system as actually improving. So you feel successful before taking a single step. And once the brain gets its reward, it removes the urgency to act. Learning becomes the finish line, not the beginning. Psychologists call this productive procrastination. You feel busy while life stays still. And the smartest people fall into it the most. Because there's always one more thing to learn first. Days turn into months, months into years. Potential quietly expires. Let me ask you honestly, how many videos have you watched about changing your life without changing one habit? How many plans live only in your head? That uncomfortable silence? That's awareness. One day, Alex broke the loop. No more learning for 1 week, only action. He applied scared, spoke nervous, failed, and tried again. And in just 7 days, fear shrank, confidence grew, life finally moved. He learned more by doing than years of thinking. That's when he understood. Clarity doesn't come before action. Clarity comes from action. You don't become ready. You become ready by starting, because intelligence without action slowly turns into regret. Every idea you don't act on becomes someone else's success. Every day you hesitate, life quietly moves ahead without you. And here's the hard truth. The world doesn't reward the smartest. It rewards the ones who moves, the ones who take chances, the ones who fail and try again, the ones who start before they feel ready. They're the ones who build careers, create freedom, change their lives. While others are still preparing, they're already building a life with momentum, moving in a direction most never even start. If this video has made you pause and think, even for a second, that means something inside you connected with it. And if you want more ideas that actually change the way you think and act, you'll enjoy what comes next here. Welcome to Mindversa, where minds evolve.